Hi, I'm Kathy Zip, and I'm a writer and producer here at Flex Media. Welcome to another edition of Flex Talks, where we help share some tips to help you create content that's going to grow your business. So today we're going to talk about social media. So if you're posting on social media frequently and you're posting great content, that is fantastic. But don't forget about the equally important piece, checking your analytics. Analytics vary from social media platform to platform, and they can get pretty detailed, but here are some simple analytics to keep in mind across all of them. First of all, engagement. How many likes, shares, and comments are you getting on your content? The more engagement your posts have, the further your reach. Looking at what posts get the most engagement will help you determine what type of content is working for you too. Second, look at your audience demographics. Consider their age, gender, location, and the interests of your audience. Are you reaching the people that you thought you would? Does it open up a new market for you? Do you have to adjust your content to reach a different audience? Knowing this information is important for when you go to run ads. And lastly, look at your post reach. The more people that your posts reach, obviously the more engagement you'll have. So social media analytics can help you know what's working and what's not, and also prepare you for when you're ready to start creating and running ads. It gives you an idea of who to target and the best content to use. So thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our Flexology newsletter for more great tips for creating content that will help grow your business.